Introducing the Ivation Portable Mini Shower. It's so compact it fits in your backpack. We've included adapters so you can set it up anywhere. It's great for outdoor adventures. All you need is a bucket of water or a lake. Just hook it on a tree. Drop the pump into a bucket and power on. A constant stream of water that will gently shower you clean, while an active built-in water filtration system filters the water. This lightweight portable shower can be used virtually anywhere. It's also fantastic for washing your car. Its soothing flow is also great for our furry friends too, even the finicky ones. They love the gentle stream of our Ivation portable shower. This portable shower has a battery life that allows up to 1 hour of continuous use. To charge, simply plug into any USB socket. It's as simple as that. Ivation, for life.